Hello everyone, welcome to EDUSOFT. Today we are going to start new series for Pandas. We have already completed NumPy series. To get the full playlist on NumPy series, link is given below. You can go through it. So before starting on this topic on Pandas series, we have to see what we will learn in this Pandas series. So what we are going to learn, we are going to see what is Pandas. Why do we need Pandas? Pandas vs Excel. So in Pandas, we work on different data structures, or say we work on different data sets. So in Pandas, we work on CSV file, we work on Excel file, we work on text file. So in this Pandas series, we are going to see what kind of operations we can perform on these different text files, CSV files, and Excel files. Last but not least, that is Pandas data structures. So in this, we are going to see what kind of data does Pandas handle. So let's start. Pandas is an open source Python library that is used to work on labeled data. It is fast, flexible, and open to use tool to work on data structures, to analyze and manipulate data. So discussing about the use of Pandas, the first one is data analysis. So we can perform different operations to analyze data using Pandas. Second one is data manipulation. So in Pandas, we can perform operations like joining. We can perform operations like merging, reshaping of data. So in this way, we can manipulate data accordingly. Excel, CSV, and text file. As I told you earlier, we can perform different operations in Pandas. We work on Excel, CSV, and text file, data from different file objects, and it provides time series functionality. It means, so data from different file objects can be loaded in it, and we can perform different file operations on it. Other than this, we can handle missing data values. We can perform operations like joining. We can perform operations like inserting and deleting columns. So the first step in starting the Pandas is to install the Pandas. We have to know how we can install the Pandas library in our system. So to install the Pandas library, what syntax we are going to use? We have to use pip command, that is pip install Pandas. For this, what you have to do? You have to type cmd, that is command prompt, in your search box, and then you have to type the required syntax, pip install Pandas, to install the Pandas in your system. After the installation of Pandas, what you have to do? You have to import Pandas. This module can be imported as import Pandas spd. So it is not necessary to import module spd. You can have any name you want to have. Now, Pandas data structures. So what kind of data does Pandas handle? Pandas generally handle two types of data. It provides two data structures. Number one is series. Number second is data frame. So you can see over here, series is a one-dimensional data and data frame is a two-dimensional data. Coming to series, it is a one-dimensional data. It is same as the column in Excel sheet. So you already have seen the Excel sheets. It has both rows and columns. Coming to series, it is same as the column in Excel sheets. Its size is immutable. Immutable का क्या मतलब होता है? That is, you cannot change the size. Homogeneous data, it stores the homogeneous data within it. Values of data are mutable. So the size of series is immutable. You cannot change the size, but you can change the data within it. So the values of data are mutable. Coming to data frame. It is a two-dimensional data, heterogeneous tabular data structures with rows and columns. So data is aligned in tabular fashion in rows and columns in data frame. Each column in a data frame is series. its size is mutable. So you can change the size of data frame, but you cannot change the size of series. Coming to Pandas data frame, it consists of three main components. That is data, rows and columns. Here you can see this is your row, this is your data, easy and effective, and this is your row. So Pandas data structures usually work on data frame. We can perform different operations on data frame as we discussed earlier. You can perform different operations on data accordingly rows and columns. So pandas are generally used in data science in combination with other libraries like NumPy, Matplot library, SciPy, and scikit-learn. This is all about the basic concepts and fundamentals of pandas. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.